You search for how to buy shares of MKDWELL Tech Inc. MKDWELL Tech Inc. is a technology company focused on industrial automation and connected devices, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MKDW. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy MKDW shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds to enable purchases. Open the platform's search bar and type the ticker MKDW to locate the company listing. Select the result that matches MKDWELL Tech Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the page displays MKDW and details consistent with MKDWELL Tech Inc. before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to allocate, then carefully review the order details including any fees and execution type. If the market is closed, the order will be queued to execute when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once confirmed, your position appears in the portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description for reference, presented here as an informational resource.